Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are a Spotify user, you might be wondering how to change your lock screen display to show your current track or playlist. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get that cool costume look on your lock screen. So let's get started. First of all, find the settings app on your home screen. Now open it. Now scroll till the end and find the apps button and then select it. Again, scroll down and find the app Spotify and then open it. Here you can find the notifications option. Now tap on it. From here you can change the lock screen, banners and notification center for the Spotify app. You can also change the style of the banner. You can also change the previews and notification grouping for the Spotify app. And that's how you can change the banner of the notifications of Spotify on your lock screen. And that's it. Now you know how to change a lock screen to show your current Spotify track, album art and artist information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.